Hello guys, my name is Ronald and this should be one of your favorite YouTube channels. And why it should be? Because it's giving one of the best signals you can ever find in the industry. Okay, so without any hesitation, I will take you to the next pair that we think will make it big for this week. Okay, so we are going to look at the pound and the CAD. Pound and the CAD. So for this week, we are looking at the pound and the CAD. Why? Because we think the pound, the pound and the CAD has broken out of the structure. Remember, we are breakout traders. Okay, so first from the 1 hour, that's where we come in. So it has broken out of this structure. If you want to be certain, I will show you. Let's try to draw some structure here. So it broke out. It broke out of this. Just a minute. Let me show you from the 4 hour. Let's say it broke out of this structure here. Just here. So it broke out of this structure. Okay, so once it retests it, we are joining in for the sell. So when it breaks out of that structure, another trend line for us to be sure where it broke out from. So it broke out of this structure. So once it will retest this structure, we are coming in, okay? And sometimes the pair, if it's a strong breakout like this, it won't retest the real area. So this is when you pull out your Fibonacci to know exactly where you are gonna join in from. Okay, so let's get our Fibonacci just right here, from this to this one. Okay, so for this pair we will have a short order for this week. We are looking at the we will have a short. We will make a short. Okay, we are selling this pair. We cannot buy this pair. Buying this pair for this week is not an option. So we are expecting it to move from here. Okay, so this will be our short move from here, and our stop loss should be just right there. And we expect it to come and retest this zone right here, so until this area right here. Okay, so it will expect a pullback and once it takes us in from just right here, we will take our profit from here. It could as well take us from these areas, okay, this Fibonacci areas, so either here or here, so or from here. So like I told you, once the pullback is here, below the pullbacks, you just put your sell limit orders, maximum of 3 depending on your capital. It's maximum of 3 or 2. Okay, that should be okay for you. So for the coming week, that's our GBP CAD. Okay, so we should move out. We should be in and out because we are not certain, because when you look at the daily, this pair is still playing around the moving averages. Okay, it's just below this moving average, so you don't know what can happen. Okay, any movement is possible when it's still like this in the moving average on a daily, but on a 4 hour it has already shown us that it's going down. Okay, yeah, so that's why we need to get this, and once it reaches just anywhere around here, if you want to be most certain, we put our trend line anywhere around this zone. We can move out and wait for the next move, just anywhere around, anywhere around here. Anywhere around here, we move out and wait for any position, okay, until, otherwise we can keep coming in and out of this position. Okay, yeah, so that's it for this pair. We are expecting a short position for this coming week, and that's the pound and the Canadian dollar.